Whenever you use the internet, you type web addresses that go to a certain website or web app. For example, if you type google.com, your computer, or if you use like a handheld or a PC or a Mac, it goes through the internet to the computer. It sends you back the page of google.com, right? So if you send it from Mac OS X, it sends you the Google page back. If you do it from your laptop, it sends you the page back. So that's the principle, like how the internet works. So these are called clients, and a computer that handles that is called a server. Servers are running 24/7, and so you can that works for any site and any web app. So for example, if you have youtube.com, it goes to the internet, and then the server returns the youtube.com page or youtube.com app, because YouTube is an app, right? So it works for both sites and apps. And underneath, a web server always uses, well, not always, but like most of the times uses a database. So in the database, it stores all of the web pages or all of the user data, like usernames, passwords, maybe financial information or other types of databases. It can be any type of database. It can be Oracle, it can be MySQL, it can be Marriott database. They're all kind of database systems. However, the principal communication between the server and the database, so that line here, is called the SQL language. The SQL language is used to interact with databases. Now, of course, that shouldn't be accessible from the web. So if we are on a laptop here, we shouldn't be able to do a SQL query and access that database. However, that is actually possible in many cases. And that technique is called SQL injection. So with a SQL injection, we write some SQL language code from our laptop and then get access to that database. Of course, that shouldn't happen, but in practice, that's sometimes happen because it's hard to get right for the programmer. So I'll give you some examples in this course of SQL injection, and you'll figure out that how that works, and you can try it out on your own.